Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the document and marking entries so Word knows what to collect. First, save a backup. This avoids losing manual edits. Then scan your headings and select each term you want indexed. Mark them using references. Mark entry and choose main, subentry, or cross-reference. Once done, adjust page range or formatting options in the Mark Index Entry dialog so entries reflect context. Make sure you mark repeated occurrences where needed. Consistent marking prevents missing entries when you insert the index later. Next, insert and customize the actual index. Place your cursor at the desired location, often at the end of the document, and go to References Insert Index. Pick a format and set columns and right-aligned page numbers to match your layout. These choices control readability. If the built-in formats don't match your style, click Modify to tweak index and page number styles for font, spacing, or indentation. Once configured, insert the index. Word generates it from your marked entries, so consistency in marks yields a reliable list. Finally, update and finalize the index and know how to fix common issues. After making content edits, right-click the index and choose Update field so page numbers and entries refresh. If an entry is incorrect, reveal hidden XE fields with show /hide and edit, or delete the specific XE field. This changes what word pulls into the index. If page numbers misalign, check tab stops and index styles, then update the field again. One troubleshooting tip: if entries still behave oddly, rebuild by removing the index and reinserting after confirming all XE marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.